27th March. 27th March, you will be in Lee Meridian and you will be leaving by around 10 o'clock. I said it's my wife's birthday. Okay, immediately I said okay, I will take. I would like to spend my wife's birthday in a special so I took up this. We really enjoyed this tour very much, and I'm not boasting. And Mr. Mohammed is one of the finest, young, dynamic, enthusiastic. Apart from that, he is very cordial, kind, affectionate. I have almost seen almost all over the world. We have traveled, myself and my wife. But this is one of the best in my life because of this tour guide moment. I really very happy. I'm very happy to enjoy